and including Esther herself. So, yung pong ang decree na ibinigay ng hari during that time is instead of Mordecai, si Haman po ang hinang upang mamatay. Hindi po nagkaroon ng katuparan ng plano ni Haman, but instead of killing all the Jews including Mordecai and including maybe because Esther was a Jew, ay si Haman po ang pinapatay at nagbigay ng decree ang hari na patayin by hanging si Haman instead of Mordecai. So, yun po yung story ni Esther. No po. And there are a lot of insight in the story. No po. Pero napakaganda pong i-focus natin yung fact na yung courage under fire. No po. Under fire. Sa puso ni Esther. And he overcome the possible death in her life. Ito po, kung sakaling hindi naman po siya tinawag ng hari upang lumapit, because death yun po yung sentence sa mga taong hindi naman tinatawag ng hari but came into the presence of the king. Ito po. So because of his love, ito po, and his concern over the Jew during those times, and because of her uncle, and because of her faith in God, na sinabi niya nga po na I will perish if I come into the presence of the king, and if I don't find favor in him, I will perish if I will perish. But nakita po natin yung courage and determination ni Esther to save the Jews during those times. At makita po natin ang kilos din ng Panginoon that everyone who works for the glory of God, for the glory of other people, for Esther's love for all the Jews and for her uncle, that love could mean miracle and blessings from the Lord. So there are a lot of small details of the situation which I cannot narrate to you. But if you have time to read the book of Esther, be inspired. Have time and learn more of the book of Esther. Actually po meron po itong pelikula if you wanted to view. Yung pong sa Prime Video, yung pinanood ko din po ito in preparation with this message po. And also we read together with my wife the entire book of Esther to be able to prepare you in discussing the book of Esther today, this morning po. At kahapon po nanood po kaming mag-asawa about sa Prime Video. Ang title po, One Night with a King. Sa Prime Video po, hanapin niyo po at mapapanood niyo, and you can be inspired to the courage and determination of Esther and also of Mordecai. Po. Yung pong tapestry and the connecting turmoil inside the story of Esther, makikita po natin yung different plots, different twists of stories. Nakaka-inspire po siya. And the most important aspect of this story of Esther is nobody wins. Nobody can go against the people of God. Yun po. At sinasabi po nito na if you are with God, who can be against you? No, di po ba? Wala pong makakatalo sa ating pananampalataya at paninindigan sa ating Panginoon. No po. And our love to people, to other people in our lives. When we happen to have this opportunity of showing our dedication, our concern, our affection to all the people surround, especially in our family. Let us be sure that the Lord will be helping you, will be with you through all out the situation, and you will come victoriously. No po? Lalo na po sa ating pamilya. Whatever we are facing as a family, our love and concern, no po, should overcome whatever the issues that was with the family. No po. Hindi po dapat na mabago ang ating pagmamahal, ang ating pagkalinga, no, sa ating pamilya. No matter how hard the situation is, our love and dedication and our determination to win over whatever issues that we have in our lives, we will overcome it and we will come out victoriously of every situation. Basta po yan ay will ng Panginoon, because basta po yan ay being done out of love, sacrifices out of love, even to the point of death. God will going to rescue you. So with that, I know that somehow we are inspired again by these two women in the Bible, Ruth and Esther's story. Yung scope po ng Ruth is within the family lang, yung glory and yung na-overcome yung situation at nakita natin ang kilos ng Panginoon within the family. Nakita po natin that the Lord provides a way for everybody. That love and sacrificial kind of love will always win over hardship in life. At ito naman po kay Esther, medyo malaki po ang scoop na nako-cover because this is saving all the Jews that was present in the kingdom of King Xerxes. And the powerful message of redemption, saving all the Jews, which was fallen on the hands of Queen Esther, no po, during those times, and her determination and her courage was being put under fire to come out with a decision even to the point of death, no po, ay ginawa niya po ang magagawa niya for the Jews, for the people of God, the people of Israel, the people of God, the chosen people of God, which is Israel. So with that, I hope that we are all inspired at magte-take to po ito dahil po naputo tayo ng about 8 minutes. So may take to din po itong podcast na to. With that, I hope whatever circumstances we have in our life today and all throughout the day and the coming days, let us always be inspired to act in a manner which the Lord wants us to act, because He will never leave us nor forsake us, but that we will always be a winner, a victor in the battles that was set up before us, if this is God's will. Marami pong salamat. I hope that you will continue loving your family, fighting for your family, fighting for all the people around you, and fighting a life with a purpose that will bring glory and honor to our God. Marami pong salamat and God bless po.